I'll show you how to properly set up game mode HDR on your Samsung TV so you actually get the best picture while gaming, because let's be real, out of the box, Samsung game mode doesn't always look that great. Colors can feel off, shadows look weird, and sometimes HDR just looks wrong. So, let's fix that step by step. First thing you want to do is open your game mode settings. Just press and hold the play pause button on your remote. Then go into game settings and open Game Picture Expert. Now here's where it matters. You'll see game HDR options. Basic, advanced, or off if you want accurate HDR. Go with basic, this is closer to what developers intended. More natural, less artificial boost, but if you want more punch and brighter highlights, choose advanced. Most people actually prefer advanced because it just looks more exciting. Once you select advanced, go into advanced picture settings. Here's what you should adjust. Contrast enhancer. Off. This one kills detail in shadows and highlights, so keep it off. Brightness and contrast. Leave at max, 50-50. That's how HDR is designed to work. Sharpness. Adjust to your liking, don't overdo it. Color tone, warm or standard, your preference. Color space. Try BT.2020, gives more vibrant colors compared to default. Now this part depends on your TV. If shadows look too bright or washed out, slightly lower, ST2084. If shadows look too dark, increase shadow detail a bit. Small adjustments make a big difference here. If you switch to basic HDR, remember, it resets settings. The first time uses static tone mapping, HGIG style. This is best if you want true-to-game accuracy. Just make sure to also calibrate HDR from your console settings. If you turn HDR off completely, you unlock game genre modes, but honestly, for HDR games, basic or advanced HDR will always look better for SDR games. Set contrast to around 38, this helps prevent losing detail in bright areas. If you want smoother motion, for 30 FPS games, set Judder 10, Blur 0 for 60 FPS games, set Blur 10, Judder 0, you can't use VRR and Game Motion Plus together. So, if your game has unstable frame rates, use VRR instead. That's it. Your Samsung TV game mode should now look way better. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes like this.